Good day, today we will discuss the Chapter 9, the water and wastewater system. Electricity system and water are commonly used in lodging facilities for bathing and sanitation purposes in guest quarters and for drinking and cleaning activities and around the hotel. Water is also used for sanitation and cooking. It is also used for washing and laundry activities, for recreational and landscaping such as swimming pools or decorative fonts, for the protection and as a tooling medium. So objectives: outline the importance of proper water and wastewater system in the hospitality industry. 2. Identify the different possible concerns with the quality of water and wastewater system in the hospitality establishment. 3. Enumerate the different usage of water in hospitality, tourism, and leisure establishment. And 4. Discuss the water heating concept and explain why they are important in hospitality and tourism establishment. So let's proceed to the content. Steam and hot water use are important subcategory of water use which cause the property not just for the water but also for the energy used to heat the water. The cost of heat can vary from 4 to 20 times the cost of water depending on fuel resources used for water heating. The hospitality industry is obviously worried about the problems with water and wastewater. So it's said that the water usage in hospitality, steam and hot water are significant aspects of water uses and hospitality. Because of this though, water is not the only used directly by the guests, but also for heating and purposes. Then it can cause a consideration. The cost of heating of these is the water can be 40 to 20 times or more than the cost of water itself. So this variation in cost is influenced by the type of fuel and used to heat the water. So and in the environment it has a environmental concern. So the hospitality industry is concerned about the water and wastewater management. So this is especially important for resort because the tourism destination ay nagre-rely lang sila sa access ng clean water sources. So and dito rin yung papasok yung sustainability issues. So many resort daw depends on pristine water bodies for their appeal. So therefore is a growing need to manage the water. They need to manage the water resources sustainability. So particularly in the regions where water is not very available. Water usage in the lodging industry. The annual water consumption of the world's lodging industry is in hundreds of billions of gallons and costs millions of dollars. Real use and cost level of individual differ dramatically by type of hotel, venue, service, and water use management. So in that case daw, it nagpapakita ito ng massive water consumption. So the lodging industry uses hundreds of billions of gallons. Madami daw yung mga na consumption ng water. So of water annually daw. So this vast amount of underscore in the industry heavily reliant water for daily operation like cleaning, laundry, and guest service. So that is the main purpose of water daw, yung pag ng cleaning, laundry, and guest service. So in the high financial cost din daw to. So the water usage leads to expense amounting of millions of dollars. So nag-emphasize ito ng financial impact sa water consumption ng hotel operation. So malaking impact rin daw yung yung tubig sa isang hotel operation. So sa So, papasok rin dito yung variability ng usage and cost. So, yung water consumption and cost are not uniform, so they are dramatically based on the hotel type. Like luxury resort use more water to amenities. Yung mga luxury resort to ay mas madaming na consumption na water, because they have a pool, spas, and golf courses. So while the budget of hotel are useless, so that is the ng water in this topic. So let's proceed. So water usage data show that the overall water consumption can be greatly influenced by the existence of on-site washing, kitchens, extensive irrigation, and cooling towers. Hotel with on-site laundry operation, for which study data are available, show that the laundry consumption range from 5% to 29% of total water consumption. Sometimes utilities presume that the amount of water disposed of in the sewage system correspond to the amount of water, but not all water used at the hospitality facilities, however, enters the sewage system. Example, water used for cooling towers and irrigation. So there have a key factor influencing water consumption. So the first one daw yung on-site laundry. So sa hotel daw with on-site laundry and facilities use a significant portion of their water for washing linens, towel. So there have a 25 to 29% daw ng consumption to water ranges, and nagtototal ito ng depende pa sa hotel size na laundry volume. So ang isang reason pa is sa kitchen. So sa kitchen daw in the hotel, consume daw ito ng large amount of water pagdating pa lang sa food preparation, pati na sa paglilinis and pag dishwashing. So meron pa ito ay irrigation. So sa pag-extensive ng landscaping and gardening, nagre-required ito ng irrigation para mabuhay yung mga plants, ganyan, and nagko-contribute ito ng increased water usage. Then yung last is yung cooling towers. So yung cooler water are ginagamit natin ito sa pag air conditioning system. So nagko-consume din ito ng substantial na amounts ng water sa pag-cooling purpose. Let's proceed to the water system. A number of sources, including man-made or natural sources such as wells, rainwater collector, reservoirs, rivers, seas, and other oceans, can provide water. Hotel operation can get their water supply from a water utility near them. In reality, the construction water and wastewater system consists of a number of subsystems with suitable isolation device between the subsystem. So yung hotel daw ay can obtain the water variety of natural or man-made. So yung isa nandito yung wells and rainwater collectors, reservoirs, rivers, seas, and ocean water utilities. So ito yung mga water sources na pwedeng pagkuhanan ng hotel, like ang wells, groundwater extracted for hotel use. Yung rainwater naman, yung system that harvests rainwater for non-potable use like irrigation and flushing toilets. So yung naman, yung reservoirs, rivers, seas, and ocean surface It can ano naman yung surface water sources that can be treated for various hotel. So yung water utilities naman, so ito yung yung many hotels rely in this municipal. So the water supply daw ay nagpo-provide ng mga local water utilities for their primary water needs. So itong nagano naman to, yung hotel water system daw are not a single unit but consists a multiple subsystem naman. These are the subsystem naman ay nag-work together to manage the intake, distribution, and wastewater disposal. So we have a example of this. So the potable water system. So, and ito daw yung nagsusupply ng drinking water to the guest rooms, kitchen, and bars. And isa pa is yung irrigation system na nagsusupply daw ito ng water sa mga landscape areas like in the taniman, ganyan. And yung cooling system naman ay water cooling towers or HVAC system. Yan yung mga sa air conditioning naman. So yung wastewater system naman ay nagko-collect ito ng disposes na used water, yung mga use ng water. So ito naman yung ang hotel source water from variety of natural municipal sources. There have a water and wastewater system na nagko-combust ng interconnected sa subsystem. So kada isa daw ay nagsiserving sa specific function. May mga kanya-kanyang function sila, which nag-isolate sila ng device, ensuring na safe ang efficient operation. So that they set up that allows better control or maintenance and water management in hotel operation. So yan yung yung ng water sources sa mga hotel.
Business and industry, it consists of pipes, manholes, and pump stations that carry wastewater to treatment plants, like collection, treatment. Collection, wastewater flows through pipe to treatment facility. Treatment, the wastewater is treated in stages like primary, secondary, and tertiary. Water quality requires a variety of elements that vary in value. Potability, that is a sustainability for drinking, for visitors, and staff. Potability is of special concern. Discharge sewage water. There was a time when hotels and restaurants did not much pay attention to the amount or sustain or of water discharged into the sewage system. It was only necessary for managers to ensure that rainwater did not reach the system and that grease traps work when times have changed. Water heating. For application ranging from guest showers to washing, hotels need large quantities of hot water. The cost of heating water almost in variety exceeds that of the cost of actual water itself. Hot water requirements are potential the highest for guest rooms, laundry, and kitchen application. Major use can be employed the locker room.
Indirect fired water heaters are more likely to be used in STEM installations. A color heat exchangers enters the stem, which transfers heat from the stem to the water in that system. The stem is usually kept separated from the water. This system uses a boiler to heat water. The boiler produces hot water, which then flows through a heat exchanger, where the heat is transferred to the water being heated. Heat pump water heaters collect heat from the air in a building, from the air outside, or from a source of water to remove heat from the air and pass it to the water being heated. For example, air source heat pump water heaters. These systems use the heat from the air to heat water. Water system maintenance concerns. While water systems need periodic maintenance, unless they deteriorate to the point of requiring significant work or replacement. Water for entertainment and recreation. Water is more than just a utility for some hotels. It is a key element of the entertainment and recreational facilities of the property. Water is commonly used in exterior landscaping treatments, ponds, flowing streams, fountains, and more. Natural characteristics of beaches, marines, and other marine ecosystems. It focuses on the following fields. Water quality refers to the physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of water that determine its suitability for various uses such as drinking, recreation, and industrial processes. Environmental education and information. The process of teaching and learning about the natural world. Environmental management. Process of controlling and minimizing the negative impact of human activities of the environment. System services. The measures and activities implemented prevent or minimize the risk of injury, illness, or damage to people, property, and the environment.
Swimming pool water system. There are swimming pools at several lodging facilities. It is an ongoing task that requires a considerable amount of time and labor to maintain a healthy and enjoyable pool environment. For example, a swimming pool water system refers to the mechanism and processes required to maintain clean, safe, enjoyable water. Is a swimming pool. Proper maintenance is essential, especially in lodging facilities where pools are used frequently by many guests. Water conservation. With increasing water prices, declining water supply, and government restriction on the water of use, there are many reasons for hospitality companies to minimize use. Something have already been done by the lodging industry to increase water consumption. Some steps are common installation of low-flow shower heads, partially due to the fact that they often save energy used to heat water. Reuse. The use of water recycling with increased pressure, decreasing water use is expected in the future. Water conservation has become a crucial focus for hospitality companies due to increasing water prices, declining water supplies, and strictly government regulation. Lodging establishments such as hotel resorts play a significant role in increasing this issue as they are both often high consumers of water. Water management activities should be done carefully as to not impact visitors. For example, one operation received too many guest complaints about the low-volume shower heads installed in the property that it decided to reinstall the previous shower heads with little effort. Water use can also conservation step can be useful for managing landscape irrigation, installing foot-operated faucets in kitchens, and performing simple maintenance of water system.